This is the Curaprox Travel Kit, and in this video I'm going to tell you why every traveler should own one. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Recently I've started traveling back again as a sports dentist to various parts of the country, and I believe in maintaining a good oral healthcare routine no matter where you are. So for that, I always wanted to make my own dental travel kit, which I will eventually, but this is the closest I could find in the Indian market, and I believe it's the best one out there. So it comes with this outer packaging which clearly mentions travel in bold. You get these 5 icons here indicating when you can use it: flights, camping, hiking, cycling and car travel. One very important thing to notice here is that it's made in Switzerland. When you slide the outer packaging, you get to the main kit. It's available in 6 different colors: pink, green, blue, yellow, red and this orange. The kit measures 9.5 by 6 centimeters and fits in the palm of your hand. It easily goes in a pocket, backpacks and your suitcases. When you open the travel kit, you see the toothbrush and the toothpaste on one side and 2 interdental brushes with an handle on the other. The toothpaste here is their BU Explorer toothpaste, which is apple and aloe vera flavored. It's a vegan toothpaste which is also SLS and triclosan free. Although I was initially apprehensive about the aloe vera flavor, I gotta admit it does feel fresh and I've started to like it. You get 2 interdental brushes, number 7 which is red in color and number 9 which is yellow in color, along with this holder and a protective cap. These brushes help in cleaning the areas which are otherwise difficult to reach between your teeth. They're super fine, gentle on the gums and easy to use. My favorite is the toothbrush. It comes in this 2-piece travel version. Simply take it out and join them to get a satisfying click. The 5460 which is mentioned here actually denotes 5460 ultra fine filaments which have been packed on the brush head. You have to feel to believe how soft they feel. They feel very gentle on the teeth and the gums. Also, it's quite light, ergonomic and a delight to use. Add to that, they clean your teeth very well. Alright, enough of the praises. Surely you must be wondering that there must be a catch. And there is one. It's a big one. It's the cost. This retails for ₹1000 for the entire kit, which may be a put off for a lot of people, especially in the Indian market when it comes to oral health. But after trying, testing and researching, there is nothing like this in the Indian market, especially of this quality from Switzerland. I love the bright colors, all the components work as advertised, and it's a great dental kit if you travel a lot. I'm providing the links to buy this travel kit in the description down below. I also managed to reach out to Curaprox and they were kind enough to provide me with a coupon code, which if you apply during checkout after buying anything from the website, you'll get a 10% discount. So if you apply the code and buy this travel kit, you'll get it for ₹900, which is a great deal. And that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, happy brushing.